Okay, so in this video I will unbox a new iPhone Air in sky blue. And the really cool thing with this phone is that I will use it as an eBook reader. And Apple has added a feature first in the world that makes it possible to turn off PWM, Pulse Width Modulation, on their iPhone 17 models and also the iPhone Air. That means that it will be much better for reading because you don't get any headaches and migraines and so on, because it doesn't use pulse width modulation if you turn it off. So that will be really cool to try out on this one. So let's go to my table. Here we have my old iPhone 13 Pro Max with a matte screen protector, and here we have the brand new iPhone Air. And I also want to say that this should have anti-reflective display, but I've seen YouTube videos that I don't think it's as good as this matte screen protector I have on my iPhone 13 Pro Max though. But let's see how good it is. So here we have the box itself. And as you see, it has this very thin body. This is a really thin phone. So let's remove these two stripes. And it's a 256 gigabyte version. And in sky blue, as I said. That's nice. Let's see the magical Apple unboxing. Ooh, so easy. So easy to unbox this. Really magical. So here we have the phone itself. Let's remove that. Ooh, so thin and light. Much lighter than most of my eBook readers even. This is really light phone. And here we have a USB-C cable, and it's in a really nice fabrical format. Really nice. Still a bit short though, a meter or so. And what's more in the box, we have some papers. We have some papers. Let's open that. I don't think we have a sticker, sadly so, no sticker. Just documentation and warranties and so. Sadly so. And no charger or whatever. That's the box. So now we go to the real deal, the phone itself. Really nice. Okay, let's remove this. Oi. As you see, still have a lot of reflections and glare. But wow! Sky blue is almost white, as you have seen before. But this is really light. So light in the hand and really cool to hold in the hand too. I love it. Very round edges, feels really nice in the hand. No sharp edges whatsoever. Here we have the USB-C charger and microphones. And here we have the camera button and volume buttons. And on this side we have the power button. And as you can see, looks gorgeous. Wow! And here at the top we have the selfie camera and sensors and so on, and we have a speaker. Wow! So nice. The camera on the back side. Everything looks gorgeous on this. ceramic shield too on both sides. And then we have real titanium here on the sides. Wow! I'm in love with it already. This will be a really nice portable ebook reader for me. Wow! So nice. And it's a myth that you have too much distractions on a phone. You can turn all that off. You have a profile. I use a profile that has no notifications, for example, so I don't get distracted with notifications. So this will be a really cool device to have. So let's start it for the first time. And here we have my old 13 Pro Max. Let's remove this ring holder from it, because I will probably use it on my new phone. Here we have the old and the new. So let's start. I choose Swedish because I am from Sweden. Yes, I know I got complaints about why I choose Swedish. Because I do videos in English, but I want to have Swedish because I want Swedish Siri and so on. So this will be a Swedish setup, but I will say what I'm doing in English. So now I choose the language. As you see, we have half charge or so. Feels so nice in there. Wow. I will decide this later, so I just do this. So now we should copy over everything from the old one. As you see here, it copies over now everything from the old one. Let's see if it also copies over the eSIM card from this. Because I have eSIM on that, I don't want to have that on this. Now it activates my eSIM card, it says. Hopefully this works. It says it can't activate eSIM. That's strange. Really strange. So now it has updated the phone. So let's go into it. I do everything default. It needs to have my phone again. So once again it tries to activate my eSIM. I don't know why that doesn't work. Apparently Telia that has some problems with that. I think this is... can't activate it. I hate that. So I can't activate my eSIM apparently. Now I should activate Face ID. So now Face ID has been activated. I decide to transfer data from my old phone into this one. Now it should transfer everything from my old phone to the new phone. Hopefully. That's great. Also the Apple Watch. So now I've added my credit cards and so on. So, okay, some settings for the camera button. The quick button. I'm not sure to what I should choose, but let's say camera. Now it transfers. The data from my old phone to the new. So this will take a very long time to transfer all the data, so I will stop this video now. So I will do another video with all the settings done and so on, and what I feel and think about it after the setup is done. Okay, bye.